Meaning of Kermit.
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 Kermit. Kermit can have multiple meanings depending on the context. In popular culture, Kermit usually refers to Kermit the Frog, a famous Muppet character created by Jim Henson. Kermit is known for his distinctive appearance, personality, and voice, and he has appeared in various films, TV shows, and other media productions. In computer networking, Kermit is also the name of a file transfer protocol that was widely used during the 1980s and 1990s. This protocol enabled users to transfer files between different types of computer systems using dial-up connections. In addition, Kermit can also be a given name or surname, which may have different cultural origins and meanings.